Good morning, everyone. Ninth class student, we were doing chapter number 2. Is matter around us pure? Till now, we have discussed about the various type of solution, true solution, suspension solution, colloidal solution, and we have done about the Tyndall effect also. We also discussed about the Tyndall effect also. Now, proceeding towards our next topic is the separating of component of the mixture. How various component from the mixture can be separated. So, the component of heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple method. It can be done by some simple methods also, like hand picking method. Hand picking method, that is separating any unwanted particle with the help of our hand. जैसे for example, अगर हम दाल में से कंकर को अलग कर रहे हैं, so that is the separating method, that is hand picking method. Next is the sieving method. It is also general simple method. Next is the filtration method. Filtration method. These are the simple methods of separating the heterogeneous mixture. Now we will study some special techniques that are used to separate the mixture. और उन स्पेशल टेक्निक्स के क्या नेम है, कौन कौन सी स्पेशल टेक्निक्स के बारे में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज इवेपोरेशन, सेकेंड सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन, नेक्स्ट इज decantation, sublimation, centrifugation again repeated, centrifugation here written 2 times by mistake, chromatography method, and next one is the distillation and fractional distillation. So total we are going to discuss about the 6 method of separating the component of various mixture. Firstly, I am going to explain you about the first method, that is evaporation. Firstly, I am going to explain you about the evaporation method. So I am explaining you here the method of evaporation. Evaporation, firstly we will discuss about the definition of evaporation. The method, this evaporation method is used for separating a volatile component from a non-volatile component by heating the mixture. So firstly we should understand these two terms, volatile component क्या है और non-volatile component क्या है. Volatile component means the component which have the ability to get vaporized, जो वेपर स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, वेपराइज हो जाएगा, दैट इज द वॉलेटाइल कंपोनेंट. नेक्स्ट वन इज द नॉन वॉलेटाइल कंपोनेंट, द कंपोनेंट विच डू नॉट गेट वेपराइज, जो वेपर स्टेट में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो पाएगा, दैट इज द नॉन वॉलेटाइल कंपोनेंट. सो दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इवेपोरेशन टेक्निक. Separation method, that is evaporation, is based on the principle that evaporation method can be applied to the mixture in which one substance have the capability to get volatile and the other one is non-volatile. For example, see the diagram here. Here is the diagram explaining the process of evaporation. See, in this dish we have taken the water and salt mixture. Here taken the water and salt mixture. As we start heating this mixture, the water in it get evaporate. Water तो किस में convert हो जाएगा, evaporation हो जाएगा, उसका vaporize हो जाएगा water, and the remaining and the solid left behind in the dish is the salt, और जो रह जाएगा that is salt. So in this method we can separate the salt and water mixture, sugar and salt mixture, and ink also. See here it is explaining a very good example. ink किसका mixture है, डाई का और वाटर का. वाटर have the ability to get volatile and dye do not have the ability to get volatile, means it is non volatile. तो अगर हम इंक को हीट करेंगे तो इंक में जितना भी वाटर कंटेंट है दैट विल बी volatile. इंक में जो भी वाटर होगा वो वेपराइज हो जाएगा एंड द डाई कंटेंट इन इट, दैट इज नॉन वॉलेटाइल कंपोनेंट, विल लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सेपरेट द इंक इनटू डाई and water. If some ink is heated in the dish, अगर हम ink को हीट करेंगे डिश में, the water evaporate, तो जो भी उसमें water content होगा that will get evaporate and the left behind dye is left behind in the dish. Similarly, in the similar way we can separate a mixture of salt and water or sugar and water by the process of evaporation. Next method of separating is centrifugation. Centrifugation, see this is the diagram showing the machines of centrifugation. These are the machines of centrifugation. These will rotate at very high speed. This centrifugation machine rotate at very high speed so that the denser particle will settle down at the bottom and the lighter particle will remain at the top. It will suspend at the top. So the method of separating denser particle and lighter particle from the mixture, किसी भी मिक्सचर से अगर हम डेंसर पार्टिकल और लाइटर पार्टिकल को सेपरेट कर रहे हैं बाय यूजिंग द सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन, दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. If we take some milk in the centrifugation, for example, if we are taking some milk, so if we spin this machine rapidly, ये centrifugation machine जो है बहुत तेजी से rotate करता है, it rotates at very high speed so that the denser particle will settle down and the lighter particle will remain at the top. तो मिल्क को अगर हम सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन में से घुमाएंगे, स्पिन करेंगे, तो मिल्क से जो क्रीम होगा, जो बटर होगा, वो सेपरेट हो जाएगा, अलग हो जाएगा, टॉप पर आ जाएगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइटर. और जो बटर मिल्क है, जिसको हम छाछ भी बोलते हैं, डैट विल रिमेन एट द बॉटम बिकॉज इट इज़ डेंसर इन नेचर देन बटर, बिकॉज क्रीम इज लेस देन द बटर मिल्क. क्रीम जो है क्या है, लेस डेंस है, डेंसिटी इसकी कम है, तो ये टॉप पर आ जाएगा, और जो बटर मिल्क होगा डैट विल रिमेन एट द बॉटम. So in this way we can separate out the denser particle and the lighter particle by the process of centrifugation. So in this video we have discussed about the various type of separating method, heterogeneous mixture, how we can separate the various component from the heterogeneous mixture. In today's video we have discussed about the evaporation and centrifugation. For further video, for further separating process, we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you.